Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint Telegram usernames. Telegram has introduced an exciting new feature allowing users to mint unique usernames as collectible digital assets. This means you can now own a specific username, not just claim it. These minted usernames can be bought, sold, and even traded on a dedicated platform, offering a fresh way to personalize your online presence and potentially gain value from your digital identity. The process for minting a Telegram username is straightforward. First, you'll need to navigate to Fragment, which is the official marketplace for these unique digital assets. Once there, you will connect your TON wallet, which acts as your secure digital identity and payment method. After connecting, you can browse available usernames or search for a specific one. When you find your desired username, simply follow the prompts to initiate the minting transaction. To successfully mint a Telegram username, there are a few key requirements. You will need a TON wallet, which is a cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for the TON blockchain. This wallet must be funded with Toncoin, as minting involves a small network fee, usually just a few Toncoin, to process the transaction. Usernames can be acquired either through competitive auctions or by purchasing them directly from other owners on the Fragment platform. Minting a Telegram username offers several compelling benefits. Beyond simply having a unique identifier, you gain ownership of a digital asset that can potentially appreciate in value over time. It's a new form of digital property. However, it is crucial to prioritize security. Always ensure you are interacting solely with the official Fragment platform to protect your assets and personal information. This ensures a safe and legitimate experience for all your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.